Here are the critical steps for installing a ProVia single entry door. For complete installation and safety instructions, click the link in the video description. Let's get started. Begin by checking the floor for level and the walls for plumb. Dry fit the door to ensure proper sizing. Prep the opening according to instructions. Set the door in the opening. Install one screw in the header brick mold and one screw in the bottom of each vertical brick mold. Remove the shipping bracket screws and carefully lift and open the door to avoid frame damage. Remove the shipping bracket from the door. Check the plane of the door, and if needed, adjust the frame to the door slab. Install one smooth shank screw in the top hinge. Check the margins. Shim behind the bottom hinge. Recheck the margins. Install a full thread screw in the bottom hinge. Shim behind the top hinge and add a full thread screw. Replace the initial smooth shank screw with a full thread screw. Shim behind the middle hinge, being careful not to over-shim. Install a full thread screw in the middle hinge. Check the plane of the door and the margins one last time. Install the hardware on the entry door. Shim behind the strike prep and above and below the deadbolt prep. Install the deadbolt strike plate with the dust cup. Install the two-part strike plate and adjust for proper operation. This has been a quick overview of how to install a ProVia single entry door. For more information, click the link in the video description or call customer service with additional questions.